Hey up. Here's me tugboat. Very nice. Oh, the front camera does move a little bit. A little bit forward, a little bit backwards. Didn't realise that. Hey, got a paddling pool here. Look at that. Packing it down today. Come on. Let's see, they've got toilets here, which is always good to see. Nice little park area, ping pong table, and then some sort of things here. Just have to go for a shit on one of those things. Not what you need. You know what I mean? Anyways, yeah, get the fuck out of here. It's stinking. Right, let's have a look at these views then. The views we've got here on a miserable day in Torrington. That is fucking mental. Let's come down here. Hey. Oh, there's a little town down there. God, someone's got a big old lake as well. There's like a fishing lake. Look at the views. Imagine this on a lovely day. I bet you can see right out there, as far as you can see. Gorgeous. Right, come on then. Let's go get some work done. Oh, Harry! Howdy doing? Look at that bloody gale blowing out there with the sea and that all going all up. Oh my god, we're at the one-stop shop Cornish fresh fish because they've got me here right now, the fresh fish, freshest fish. Oh yeah. There's a pub over there, I think. Right folks, Jeanette has got me right down on the bloody beach. Look at that! You can't get any closer. I'm fucking at the beach house, mate. The beach house is right... Oh, you can't see it right now, but I'm going to come to this area. Oh, let's go. Here she is. This is where Jeanette's got me staying tonight. No one's lost me yet. I don't want to scare anyone. Alright, let's go in there. See what's going on. Hey, how we doing, folks? How we doing? This is my hotel room today. And do you know what? You never judge a book by its cover. Because I was walking in here thinking, I don't know. So, do you know what caught me off was, it's kind of, when I was looking at that, it kind of reminds me of like a zombie apocalypse sort of like, beach house, come here. Zombies will come after you. Oh no. But now I'm in it. The lady downstairs could not be more helpful. She was absolutely a gem, which is exactly what you need. That is a tight fit. That is a tight fucking fit. You've done that well, haven't you? Yeah, that's me again. Sammy's gonna do away. Yeah, look at that. Loads of towels. Loads of toilet bowl. Do you know what I mean? Like, no, not really. There's no mould or nothing. Oh yeah. Thank you. I think that's probably, now that I've got used to my king size bed, I'm thinking, is that even a double? But it doesn't matter, because it's what could fit in the room at the time. I'll have a little mirror. Hey up, give us a wave. So she says, if I want to walk that way, that's towards Bude, I'll get to the Bude town centre. If I want to walk left, I can walk Crackenhaven, did she say? He said you can walk for as long as you fucking want that way. Also, she said they're really busy tonight. They've got like 100 people booked for the restaurant downstairs. So she was like, if you want to, you can book it, but it's going to be crazy. And I said, fuck that, I don't want to be sat at that table. I said to her, you could probably get 4 or 5 people around that table. I said, that's money for you. You do that, queen. I'm going to go out and try and find some chippies. Some chippies. Guys, you can sue me, yeah, but it's actually too blue and a gale out here for me to be going no walks, alright? Honestly, I'm going to lose my hat. I'll be losing my hat, I'll be losing my marbles, I don't need that. I'll be going to the beach and I'll be showing you around, but I will not be going in for a big old walkie-talkie today. It's just too busy and I need to make my videos. Gone to the shops, gone to get this, because I eat so much sugar, I was like, I need to get something good. So I've gone for the Sensodyne toothpaste, I've also got some Vaseline, because I don't know if you can see, but my nose is so sore, it's all crusty. My lips are a little bit crusty as well, so I thought, fuck it. And then I'll treat myself with some best caramelised biscuit, Viennese swirls. Well, they're just saying biscuit swirls now. Yeah, I'm sure they were Viennese. Maybe that's what the other ones are. Anyways, that's all I did. Come out 10 minutes to grab that. mainly toothpaste, and I got carried away. And now on my way back, let's go! I've been chillaxing on this doom scrolling bench, yeah. And it's not that comfortable, but it's just chillaxing. Just having a little, that's all right, you know? Can't be fucked to do anything. I cannot be fucked. Just tired now. Oh yeah. I sleep. I'm totally not dressed for this. Look at the state of this. I'll show you where I've got to go because I can actually see it. They've got this nice little burger van right up there where that camper is. Oh, I don't know why it won't let me. You know, you can see the camper. So you can also see how it's blowing a gale out there. It's pretty savage. So wish me luck. This is the hotel that I'm at. And there's quite a few signs saying about have you checked your belongings? So I'm thinking, oh god, that noise annoys me. Fucking just leave it. Yeah. Have you checked your? Have you looked? Fucking hell, fish. Have you left any belongings? Have you left any belongings in it? Cute. Yeah. It's got this little garden here as well. It's like a dog song. Come on. Front this way. Honestly, I'm gonna have to keep my hat on nice and tight. I'm hoping I can get to the beach this way. Let's go have a little look and see what's happening here. Fucking hell, got a hill. I'm at the destination. Oh shit, mate, it's fucking closed. What the fuck? So I get to my destination, top of the hill, and the fucking burger van place is closed. So I have to walk back. I have to get in my van, do a little. I'll go somewhere because it's too bloody to be going for a walk. It's taking the piss. So fuck it. I just had the craziest thought, yeah. Imagine, can you imagine being like a little ant or something and you're like, your home's here and this wind is blowing so hard that if it catched you, you'd fucking fly like Jesus. I don't know where you'd end up, but in some other colony you'd be like, fuck, trying to blend in like, yo, it's always part of this game. It's so hard. That's happening all the time. End up in another world like, fuck it, yeah. When can we it's just my place up there, I don't know. Let's go have a little look and see what's going on there. Yo, back. Wonderful service at the place. Honestly, I felt like, because I haven't got a plate or a fork to eat this, so I was like, I need to go grab a fork. And when I went back in there, the lady was like, oh, you didn't give him a fork. And she went, well, make sure you grab some napkins on your way out, because save you coming in twice. And I was like, go on, gal, thank you. Because I do need a napkin, because it's going to be greasy. What we got there? Okay, I'm going to get out of there. This looks hot as fuck. I'm going to go back to the hotel. I'm going to have a little look there. Come on. Yo. Right, I've been chowing down on these chippies, yeah. I've been chowing down. I've been chowing down on these chips and curry sauce. Molly gave me a call, so I was like, gonna answer that. Anyways, let's scooch this over. We've got fish caters breaker open. See what we've got. Ooh, oh, there's some grey mush. You know, can't really see much fish in there, to be honest. You know, sometimes it's got like a little glaze to it. Sometimes when there's loads of fish, can't really see much fish in that. Battered sausage. That's crunchy. Grey mush as well. Very light grey mush. But I reckon they're going to taste delicious anyways. Chips are alright. They're pretty average chips for a fish and chippy. Not average, I'd say standard chips. Average makes them seem weaker, but they're not. Nah, they've done a good job. I'll take it. £10 this was. And I'm absolutely going to be stuffed to the brim. I'm already stuffed. Right, it's a little bit. I want to say, like, the batter feels like it's been there for, like, stood for a while. I feel like I've probably waited a little bit too long to eat this. Yeah, like, the batter just feels, like, a little bit stale. But the inside's nice. It's got, like, a... It's got quite a solid filling, I would say. Very, very... Yeah, it's alright. What do I give that? 7 out of 10. I'd say that's standard. Got battered sausage. Battered sausage. The battered sausage, man. There's not much flavour there. So I'm gonna just be honest and say I'm not a massive fan of the batter. Like, it's dry, it's feeling crispy. It might be your sort of thing, but I like quite a crazy batter, like a batter that's popping and it's got all sorts of edges and stuff to the side. So I'm gonna give that a 5. Actually, I'll give it a 6. There's nothing wrong with it. Like, it's just probably not my style. Batter. I feel like the sausage could be a better sausage. I don't know, it's a good sausage. It's a tough one. I just think it could be better. That's why I'm giving it a 6. And then, I don't know what I gave these chips. Did I give them a 7? Standard chippies. Quite a lot of salt on them. But I'm happy with that. I like salt. And then the curry sauce I'm giving, it's a solid. I'd say it's a 7.5 because it's just a bit better than the standard. It's got a nice little spice to it. So I'm giving it a good rating. But it's not like, oh my god, fucking hell. Sometimes you get that, oh my god, fucking hell. And that's where you're hitting the 8s and 9s. 10 is yet to be found. Yet to be found.